One in 10, 1 in 10.
When I say longer, we're also ready for longer.
Okay. Two and 9, 2 and 9. Well, hold up 1 second. The back of the boat is having a hard time loading. It's gonna be a really quick start, so we gotta be ready. Thank you. He's right there. We have an extra paddler or what? We had an extra paddler, so he was trying to figure it out. Miguel was Juan. Got this. Push up. He's gonna tell me what to do. Stand by. Hips to the gunnel. All right. Stand by. Paddles up. Go.
This call for race 58 now. Race 58 looking for the following.
Light paddling, but stretch it out. Give us that extra inch. Lean. Reach. Lean. Reach. Give us that extra inch. Okay, easy all, easy all. Easy on. All right, easy paddling. Paddles up. Go. Warm it up. Stretch it out. Two, one. Kick the boat. Good reaction. Ready for log.
Ready.
Now. Reach. Extra inch. Ready for log. Now. And stand by. Easy haul. Whatever that is called. Not this. Sorry. Paddles up. Hit. feet out. That's good. Remember, it's going to be a quick start, so you guys all need to be ready to go.
Alright, we have a very strong headwind this morning. Please be aware with a slight crosswind. We need you to line up on the far side of your lane.
If you need water, water up now because we're going to have to be ready to go.
I'm going to have you guys both hold back until the third boat gets up here, and I will bring you up together.
You guys have to win this race to go on. Put everything you have into it. Paddles on the water. Boat check! No more talking, just keep your minds on the race. Mentally prepare. Okay, I need 5 strokes forward. Paddles up. 3, actually. Go. 3, 2, easy. One paddle forward. Paddles up. Go. Easy. Two forward. Paddles up. Go. 2, easy. Boat check. Easy. One stroke, paddles up, go. Easy. Boat check. Stand by. Make your starts count. Every one of those 20, make them count. Check. 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 Be ready. Paddles up. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1 down. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Long. Ready for long. Good race. Okay, I need you guys to take us home. Stand by. Paddles up. Wait. You guys did it. Past the 5. That was your race. You took it. Okay, I need you to give me paddles up. Light paddling. Take us home. Go. Good race, guys. Good race. They were close, but you didn't let them take it. Okay, come on. Look pretty going home. All together now. All together. And 3, 2, 1. It's okay. Easy off. Bumpers out on the left. Paddles in. Right side check. Right side check. Check hard right side.
UCSD.
Where I'm loading from the middle.
Immediately.
Forward. Oh.
Call race
Wait. Oh. I think we're moving forward. Never mind.
60.
You guys did it.
I'd like to see the following teams in the Marshall area. Road Warriors, MCC Thunder Dragons, Arizona
Thank you.
Dragons.
Thank you. I lost my voice.